All right, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their serving platter. This is a 13 or 11-inch serving dish for entertaining made out of porcelain. So you got an item number here, same little mention there with the company logo, and that's really it for around the box. So let's get this out of here. See what we have. Some nice foam to protect it. Good to see, that way you don't get a broke serving dish. And there we go. Slide this out. Just foam down in the box. Here are our two serving dishes. So this is the 11-inch serving dish. You can see on the back here, microwave safe, oven safe up to 464 degrees, porcelain dishwasher safe. Very nice little design, perfect for putting your chips or crackers or dips on. And then there's also the 13-inch serving dish here. Same little sticker about dishwasher and oven safe. Nice, very nice look. Porcelain, but great for putting some items on to serve at your house when you have guests over. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.